Hi everyone, welcome to Edufacts. Dear friends, in this video we shall discuss about the world of microorganisms part 1. Yes, it is a very important topic in the examination point of view in all the competitive exams related to biology like school assistant biology and TGT and PGT biology also. So let us get into the video. All right, the story of microorganisms, the world of microorganisms. So first of all, we have to define what is microbe. What is a microbe? Microbe means an organism. Is it a living organism or non-living? Means obviously it is living organism. The organism which cannot be seen with our naked eye is called microorganism. So the microorganisms cannot be seen with our naked or unaided eye. For them to see them or to watch them, what is necessary? Surely a device is necessary to watch the microorganisms. That is microscope. Microscope is necessary to watch the microorganisms. So we all know that when microscope is invented by Zacharias Janssen, it was possible to watch or see the microorganisms around us. For the first time, the microorganisms which were living microorganisms were observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek in the year of 1674. In the year of 1674, a cloth merchant, actually Antony van Leeuwenhoek was a cloth merchant. Then he was very interested to prepare the different type of to observe the different type of fibers and their nature. In this course of his observation, he discovered microorganisms, that too living microorganisms, for the first time in 1664. Then it was very possible to observe the microorganisms very easily to all the other scientists and other consequences. Right here, when we talk about microorganisms, there are different type of microorganisms are present, like bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoans, algae. In addition to them, microarthropods. These are covered in 8th class biology. Bacteria, as we all know, bacteria are the living organisms which are very minute organisms which can be seen through which cannot be seen through our unaided or naked eye. So the first time the bacteria were observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, and the bacteria were named as animalcules. Animalcules. So first of all, when he discovered bacteria, he called them as animalcule. Later on, after that, bacteria were named as that. So bacteria, as we know, several bacteria are there around us. Useful bacteria are present, and harmful bacteria also present, right? Like lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria is very useful bacteria which converts the lactic acid bacteria, right, which converts the milk into curd. We all know rhizobium bacteria, right? Rhizobium leguminosarum bacteria, it forms the nitrates which were very essential for the plants. So the bacteria Rhizobium leguminosarum helps in the conversion of nitrogen into nitrates. And we know all different type of harmful bacteria also, like tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, right? diphtheria, which causes Clostridium, right? Then tetanus, tetany, right? And in this way, several bacteria also are there which are very, very harmful, right? They may cause diseases. They cause diseases to us and all other animals also. So we can say examples like lactic acid and rhizobium bacteria, right? And coccus, polio means it is virus, sorry. Coccus, bacilli, right? These bacillus, cocci, bacillus, cocci bacteria, etc. are the examples for bacteria. Let us come to the virus. Viruses are very, very minute organisms than bacteria. Virus cannot be seen even under the compound microscope. It can be only visible by using an electron microscope. Electron microscope. When we talk about electron microscope, we need to discuss about the inventors of electron microscope also. The inventors of electron microscope are Nall and Ruska. Nall and Ruska, they invented an electron microscope which can be magnify the object into 300,000 times. Okay, so that is the revolution in the invention and the advancement of microscopes. So here we have to talk about a great thing about virus, that virus actually when they are outside the host cell, right, they are liveless. When they are present any animal or any plant's body, they are alive. So that is the very important thing when we discuss about virus. Okay, virus when we enter into any other animal or plant, they are alive. But when they are outside the organism, they are lifeless. That is the very, very important property of viruses. And we all know virus cause several diseases. In recent days, we have suffered a lot about coronavirus. Coronavirus, this virus, it causes, COVID-19 disease, and it almost all the countries in the world affected by that virus. Next, polio virus, polio influenza, right? HIV virus, right? Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, corona, right? Polio, all these are examples for virus. Virus cause different diseases also, as we know. Polio virus, polio disease, right? AIDS is also caused by human immunodeficiency in virus. AIDS is also a disease, very dreadful and dangerous disease, right? So that is what about virus. Then fungi. Fungi are also microorganisms. Actually, we can some fungus we can see like rhizopus, which is arised on chutneys and breads. We can see them also. But many of the microorganisms are also present in the category of fungus, like rhizopus, aspergillus, right? And penicillin. Penicillin is also a fungus. Penicillin, it's a very, very wonderful antibacterial drug which was invented by Alexander Fleming. Penicillium notatum, we will discuss in the part 2 about various uses of these microorganisms. Okay, rhizopus, aspergillus, penicillin, etc. are the examples for fungi. Then protozoans. Protozoans are usually, we all know that they are unicellular organisms. Most of the protozoans are unicellular organisms. Means they have only single cell in their Yeah, a single cell performs entire functions of the body. They are protozoans are the unicellular organisms. The examples for protozoans, as we all know, amoeba, paramecium, right, euglena. These are a few examples for protozoans. When we come to algae, algae are also the microorganisms. They are actually the food providers to the aquatic animals. They perform photosynthesis in the water and they produce the energy. As well as they give the life to the all aquatic animals, which the reason is they perform photosynthesis in the water and they produce the food, as they are the producers of the food in water. So this is very important, and we all know that Spirogyra, examples of algae are Spirogyra, Cara, Idagonium, and Chlamydomonas. It is a single cell. Chlamydomonas. It is a single cell algae, right? And when we talk about microarthropods, actually microarthropods means actually they are bigger than bacteria. When we say a single word, they are bigger than bacteria. The size of the microarthropods are bigger than bacteria, but they are also considered as microarthropods, means they are very, very small and they are joint legged, like scabies, itch mite, scabies, eyelash mites, like these are the examples for microarthropods, right? So in this video, I think one more point I have to add it to bacteria. Theomargarita is the one of the bacteria which can be visible to our unaided eye also. We can see very clearly Theomargarita namibiensis, right? It was present in the seashores of Namibia, right? So that is one important point regarding bacteria. Bacteria actually they can't be visible, they are not visible, but these Theomargarita namibiensis can be seen with our unaided eye. So I think dear friends, it is the overall view of the world of microorganisms which is present as 8th class biology syllabus as a part 1, and we shall discuss the next part 2 as their uses and their effects on animals and plants also we will discuss in the next video. Until then, if you like this video, please should press like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if it is possible, please share with all your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.